Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 45 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Also join my Telegram group for daily course update. In previous video, I gave you 35 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Java Programming Complete Beginner to Advanced. In this course, you will learn core Java skills from Complete Beginner to Advanced feature. This course will 3 are on-demand video, 1 article, 28 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is WordPress Complete Website Masterclass WordPress Made Easy. In this course, you will build a business website or any category website using WordPress, build beautiful modern responsive for mobiles and tablet website using WordPress, online hosting, subdomain, choosing your domain name and WordPress installation, how to optimize image and create creative art direction for web design with Photoshop. You will know how to design page, menu, slide bar, photo, and create a professional and modern website. You will know how to set up a contact page and WordPress contact form, how to set up an email opt-in form through your website for email marketing, how to find and install plugin, complete WordPress, e-commerce, WooCommerce plugin tutorial, build online 27 by 4 e-commerce store, learn to create discount coupon and sale offer, how to convert your WordPress website into HTTPS secure encryption connection, how to master your online store in a details like payment, shipping, tax, etc. How to be a backup of your WordPress website to be safe, increase SEO ranking for your website. You will know how to speed up your WordPress website by catching plugin, how to build official professional domain email, master it busy, WordPress page builder, establish an online blog, learn how to create Facebook campaign, learn how to create a Facebook campaign and advertisement, learn how to use Facebook Pixel for tracking your ads, how to create Facebook e-commerce store page, how to link your Facebook page to your website for business branding and marketing. This course is 6.5 on-demand video, 2 article, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobility, and certification completion. The next course is the Complete Python Game Development course for 2021. In this course, we will learn the Python basics and apply them in a real-world project, learn how to use object-oriented programming is used in practice, learn playable games for your own sense of achievement, take your user input to change the game state, animated game character and display text, playing music and import picture inside a game. This course you 5 on-demand video, 1 article, 5 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next was the practical web development 22 course in 1. In this course, you will learn in-depth knowledge in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, XML, JSON, Git, and more. Basic and advanced operation using PHP practical project with PHP. In-depth working experience of basic and advanced MySQL. In-depth knowledge of working experience on MongoDB, real-life experience with Python and MySQL database programming, mastering WordPress blogging on the WordPress blogging. In-depth working as a web developer, practical project on MongoDB with PHP, practical working with WordPress. This course is 11.5 on-demand video, 5 article, full lifetime access, exam volatility, and certification completion. The next course is 1 on HTML. In this course, you will learn the basics of programming, learn HTML, give the platform for further development. This course is 1 on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam volatility, and certification completion. The next course is 1 on CSS. In this course, you will learn how to become a web developer, learn CSS, and how to design website. This course is 1 on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is 1 hour JavaScript. In this course, learn how to code in JavaScript in 1 hour. This is a class is set up for complete beginner. In this course, you will learn the basics of JavaScript, learn the basics of programming. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next, we will learn servlets basic in a few hours. In this course, we will learn servlet ellipse ideally. In this course, you will 3 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next for the use of business intelligence, basic to data and data mining. In this course, you will learn meaning of business intelligence, what is data, data analytics, developing business intelligence, performing dashboard, KPIs, and development process, data mining, meaning and fundamental, data warehouse, database structure. This course you find on demand with full left access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next was the business data analytics, Excel, VBA, Micros, Power Query, Power Pivot. In this course, you are creating a data model, building a relationship with connected data source, preparing query, addressing query, cleanliness data, transform data, creating pivot tables and pivot chart, creating lookup, using DEX to the link data analytics, data with pivot tables and pivot chart, use of Power Query with Power Pivot, refreshing data source, creating and editing macros, debugging macros, VBA scripting. This course you for on demand video to article 25 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next was the Clubhouse audio chat app. In this course, you learn Clubhouse was a traditional social media app, Clubhouse content guideline, Clubhouse app key feature, mastering Clubhouse hallway, stages, room, speaker, moderator, audience, Clubhouse invitation and notification, Clubhouse algorithm, Clubhouse app setting, optimizing the Clubhouse bio, Clubhouse search and explore feature, managing Clubhouse invites, how to leverage social media for job search, how to use social media to build an audience, how to you be an influencer on Clubhouse, future trends in social media, tips on effectively networking and building connection using various social media tools, how to moderate on Clubhouse. What is Clubhouse? Clubhouse bio, notification, event handling, Clubhouse room, stage tools. These courses in 3 are on demand full lifetime extra warranty and certification completion. The next course is Master in Microsoft Power BI, Desktop and Service. In this course, you will understand the Power BI concept like Microsoft Power BI Desktop layout, BI reports, dashboard, and Power BI Dex command and function, creating compelling report and visualization, real-time insight, and deploying on demand. Create, share, collaborate, and benefit of the business information with purpose-built dashboard. Form relationship in your data model and data visualization best practice. This course is 7.5 on demand your 3 articles, 9 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is data analytics with Excel pivot table. In this course, you will understand the importance of data analysis in today's business, understand the types of business analytics and real-life example of business analytics, how to use Excel pivot table to easily and effectively work on your report and make your data visually more appealing. How you will learn the different feature of pivot table like grouping, calculated field, calculated items, slicer, power pivot, and chart. These courses in 1 hour on-demand 9 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next was the association of Microsoft Office with ultimate new feature. In this course, you will learn Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, PowerPoint ultimate feature, tips and tricks of MS Office, how to get MS Office. This course in 2.5 on demand 3 article, 4 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next was learn Microsoft Teams. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know about Microsoft Teams. This course you do around demand 1 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is all about blockchain and crypto, focus on global business. In this course, you will learn basic concept of blockchain and cryptocurrency, role of crypto and blockchain technology based on tech solution to make global finance simple and secure, all about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency, blockchain-based new tech solution for global trade and commerce area to globe trade and commerce, which would be benefit with blockchain-based tech solution, all about blockchain-based smart contract, their solution, all about the internet change, trade, finance, make easy by blockchain technology. This blockchain and foreign trade application. This question 3 are on demand view 4 article, full lifetime access, extreme warranty, and certification condition. The next course is create token in Illustrator from scratch. In this course, you will learn creating a vector illustration from scratch, learn basic of Adobe Illustrator CC. This course you want on demand view to downloadable CC, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course, you learn whiteboard animation, video script for Scratch. In this course, you will create engaging whiteboard animation to tell your story, visualize, understand to effectively create awareness about your brand, explain the concept situation in visual engaging manner and create a long-lasting impact, add music and voiceover and produce a professional quality marketing and lead magnet video, transform your client image to scalable to videography with landscape of to work perfectly with whiteboard drawing animation, master the art of visual telling with advanced tips and tricks. Practical return or with the help of video scriber workflow, one nominal invest. This costing 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification ambition. The next course is Trick to Create Excelling YouTube channel. In this course, student will learn about how to create a YouTube account from scratch. Student will learn to simple tips to grow YouTube channel within the shortest possible time. Notice example of different YouTuber make hug amount of money from their YouTube monetization. Learn different YouTube ideas, edit video, thumbnail, and screen using free online tool. Know your optimized YouTube search engine optimization. Follow a successful YouTuber which will help you to better their skill. Upload their first video on YouTube. A trick to get first 1,000 subscribers. Learn how to make quality video for free or with online tools. This course in 1.5 on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, excellent quality, and certification vision. The next course is light work video editing. In this course, you will learn work on movies and video, how to edit video clips, learn how to edit movie, learn how to edit photo or Photoshop using Lightroom. This course you to around even your two article, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification vision. The next course is video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021 for beginner. In this course, you will edit an entire video from beginning to end, start a project, creating sequence input file to Premiere, video effect and transition, audio effect and transition, keyframing and animation, exporting your video from different platforms. This course in 1 hour on-demand video, 5 article, full lifetime access, excellent quality, and certification vision. The next course is MBA in Creative Art, Design, and Animation level on Part 1. In this course, you will learn creating a breadth to a wow inspiration graphic post on social media, use graphic templates to speed up your process, and researching a same for any social media network. Know your tools of other that can be used for creating amazing graphic. Come up with thousands of ideas for social media graphic in flashing. Learn the scheduled post of Facebook, Twitter, and popular platform in one go. This course into a on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification condition. The next course is MBA in Programming and Trading Technology Part 1. In this course, you will learn how to create an operating system without the code in 2021, learn how to create a branded apps without technical effort, learn how to create an own Alexa-based voice assistant, learn how to convert design to code in 5 minutes. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is MBA in Artificial Intelligence Digital Marketing Term 1.1. In this course, you will be able to use augmented reality experience with apps, be able to create numerous content articles with artificial intelligence technology, be able to create numerous content articles with practical artificial intelligence technology, know about the lead generation platform to extract a lead of the on the go, now know about the influencer marketing platform to use to create insight and content marketing. These courses will fire on D1 year 3 article full lifetime access, excellent warranty, assignment and certification mission. The next course is MBA in Artificial Intelligence Digital Marketing Term 1.2. In this course, you will create a website fast and easy way using AI tools, automated LinkedIn network, and marketing your profile using a powerful automation platform. Create a video promoter for your brand using powerful cloud-based video creation tool. Create an app with the fastest time possible using a cloud-based AI app, making a tool set service on a game changer. Creating a quick resume using an incredible AI tools online. Know about a popular freelancing platform to find a freelancing job online. Learn the new age affiliate marketing for 2021. Get to know about the incredible startup idea for marketing. This course is 5.5 on demand view of full lifetime access, excellent variety, and certification ambition. The next course is Amazon FBA. Make easy and simple introduction to Amazon FBA. In this course, you will know how to discover working from home business by setting up your Amazon selling account, how to find product for selling using the Amazon FBA, identify the key characteristic of product for sale on Amazon FBA, how to find supplier for the Amazon FBA product, how to list a product on Amazon, including 4 key part of listing, how to write a Amazon FBA sales, particularly the importance of rating and creating photo, how to manage a growth of your working from your home with FBA business. Amazon Retail Arbitrage, where you find the deals of bargain and sell the Amazon at a make of money. This course is 1.5 hour video, one article, one downloadable series, full lifetime access, external warranty, and additional mission. The next course is make money from home as a transcription 10 opportunity. In this course, you will see the different 10 options to make money from home as a transcription. Find out which one is the best way. Learn the details about transaction job from home. Learn the related different transaction job from home option. This course is 1 hour one article, full lifetime access, external warranty, and additional mission. The next course is complete Google Classroom course teaching Google Classroom. In this course, you will become master at teaching Google Classroom, teaching online with Google Classroom, Google Certified Educator. This course is 7.5 hour video, 4 article, full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Udemy Bootcamp, how to create studying course unofficial. In this course, you will be able to create a course yourself by teaching people things that you are good at. This course is 1.5 hour video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is how to be a greatest salesman, develop sales and life skills. In this course, you will develop important personality traits and skills to principles that leads to success in sales, business, and life. This course is 1 hour video, one downloadable series, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Robo-Author Content Writing Automation 2021 Part 2. In this course, you will write an article using AI technology in multi-minute craft poetry, blog, articles, and fiction short story using power of artificial intelligence tools and generate hundreds of titles for a ebook for article in second. Learn AI power augmented writing tools to speed up your writing. Learn about special tools that can detect your writing styles and find out the famous authors for generally you write generate a mathematics research paper in minutes with powerful AI, generate hundreds of e-commerce product description in minutes for your online store. This course is 1 hour video, full lifetime external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Verilog HDL through example. In this course, you can Verilog HDL, digital design in Verilog HDL. This course is 5 hour video, 2 article, 1 downloadable service, full lifetime external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Chinese characteristic you must know for HSK 3-4 volume 16. In this course, you will understand the only language without alphabet, learn how to write Chinese using animation, learn the secret of how to Chinese characters were created, decode Chinese, learn radical, know a basic rule how to characters are created, know the same basic rule how to characters are written, learn pinnacle, and know about how to read correctly. Know about the right path of future study better with us, of course. These courses in 1.5 hour video, one downloadable full lifetime external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is the Python Developer Essential 2021 Masterclass. In this course, you will learn how to program with Python and write the clean code. The core Python concept need to be become a dev professional, understand how to Python work behind the scenes, variable representation, data types, and using maths, syntax, and recurrence core blocks, understanding and analytics, error, built-in function and method, user-defined and anonymous function, structure all data with built-in data structure flow control for programmer, object-oriented programming, different types of modules, handling files using Python 3.9.2, get instruction questions to support. This course in 5.5 on demand for downloadable full lifetime access, external warranty, and certification completion. The next course is build and chat app with Node.js, Socketio, Express.js, MongoDB. In this course, you will set up Node.js development environment, set up MongoDB environment via MLab, creating package JSON file, create Socket.io, create a model for MongoDB using Mongoose to connect a MongoDB, test HTTP and get and post requests using Postman, create function, create callbacks, create get message service, emit message to client, say data to MongoDB, initialize Git repository, create an Heroku app, deploy app to Heroku for hosting, check application log on Heroku. This course in 4 on-demand view, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is the complete responsive web development 4 course in 1. In this course, you will be able to create a responsive and user-friendly web page. We will be proficient on HTML5. HTML5. We will be proficient on CSS3. We are able to show expert on HTML5 and CSS3 on their resume. You will master yourself in Bootstrap. You will master yourself in jQuery. This course will 6 hours on-demand view, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is make money from home, 45 work from home opportunity. In this course, you will see 45 work from home opportunity, learn different options of work from home, find out how much you can earn easily from your work, see 45 companies that will always hire you from work from home, find out the tasks will do when do working from home. This course is 1 hour on-demand view, 5 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is web scraping for beginners with Python Scrapy BS4. In this course, you will install a Python virtual environment, create active virtual environment, update Python and pip, install Beautiful Shop, install Scrapy, inspect element from a web page, prototype web scraping with Python interactive cell, build a web scraping script with Beautiful Shop and Python, run web scrapy script, say Scrapy data to file, create a Scrapy project, create a Scrapy spider to crawl website and Scrapy data, scrap data from a web page using scraping cell, run spider to scraping data for a website, save output to a scraping data using Scrapy on file. This course is for on-demand view, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is Power BI for beginners. In this course, you will learn how to sign up with Power BI service, how to install Power BI desktop, building blocks of Power BI, overview of Power BI service, connecting to a web-based data source, clean and transform a web-based data, combine web-based data source, create a visuals from web-based data source, publish report and visual of Power BI service, connect a SQL server or database with Power BI desktop, connect to PostgreSQL SQL database with PostgreSQL, connect a Microsoft Access database file with Power BI desktop, perform a various transformation on connected data source, connecting of files in folder with Power BI desktop, transform less structured data, perform a data modeling with Power BI desktop, optimize model for reporting, performing time intelligence of model, applying filters of visual. This course is 6 on-demand view, 6 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is build 10 JavaScript project in less than 6 hours. In this course, you will learn build an interactive quiz app, to-do app, calculator app, digital clock app, countdown timer app, loan calculator app, analog clock app, BMI calculator app, height converter app, word count calculator app. This course is 5.5 on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is color correction and grading with Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. In this course, you will use all the settings from numeric color window, understand the basic of color physiology, match to different shot, read the waveform, correct the exposure and white balance. This course is 43 minutes on-demand video, 5 articles, 1 downloadable exclusive, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is cryptocurrency, complete practical course on crypto trading. In this course, you will be able to trade your different cryptocurrency trading platform. You will able to do differentiate good ICO and bad ICO, spot the different cryptocurrency that are scam. This course into a on-demand view, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is learn 4 steps to making money online with affiliate marketing. In this course, you will learn how to earn over $1,000 for 1 click. In this course, you will learn 4 steps to took me the complete beginning to make your life-changing income online. This course is 3.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is herbology for beginners. In this course, you will learn plant biology, pharmacology. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 5 article, 6 downloadable series, full lifetime exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is fundamental question on industry electronics. This course includes 6 practice tests full left-hand exam world. The next is fundamental question on power electronics. This course is 6 practice tests full left-hand exam world. All the course links are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.